Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. As I go in and take a look at some of these companies, some companies are doing fantastically well. Like, take a look at this one. And when you look at this one, you've had a huge breakout point here on this one. So there was the breakout point. But would I go into this? Actually, no, I would be much more bearish on a stock or company like this, because when you're looking at this, here is your highs and the issue where you are seeing some rejection. This could be a problem, and that's why this one could actually be a bit more bearish in nature, because it is extended quite a bit. So that's what I would be careful about right here. Even though the bullish volume looks pretty good, so here we've got our bullish volume, that does look good and healthy. But if you go bearish and if you short the stock, remember, it's only for a smaller period of time. It's not for a long investment. Smaller period of time for hedging, for protecting, and it's a good way to mix up your mix, your stocks, your strategies, so that way, as maybe the market pulls back, you have some kind of bearish exposure, and this could be one of them. Let's check out Etsy here. I think if you've missed this one earlier and you're interested in it, you could look to get into this one soon. Even start nibbling on some things. You can see it's pulling back here a little bit. Remember, Etsy sells all those face masks. People make them at home. And what's happening here is now Etsy is a little more popular. So by being more popular, it might make a little bit more revenue. So here's kind of the breakout point here not long ago. And even before, you can see this stock right here started the climb earlier. That was a good sign. It started to move. And all those people making those face masks, there's a lot of retailers on there, just take a look, are making them. And now if you're pulling back a bit, and you'll see, will they stick with the panel and platform? This is where this could be a good sign that on a pullback, it could be a better buy now if you missed it. But you want to make sure that that support holds. That's the key. Make sure the support holds. That would be essential. Okay, let's look at INSG here. This one right there, there's the $10. As you can see, we already came into the support level. Here was our resistance, now support. So as long as you can hold here, that should be good. Looks good for the stock. The volume is okay. It is slowing down a little bit, and it's testing that $10. Normally these stocks that go from like a 4 to a 10 or 12, if they can hold that 10, that's a pretty significant level. So what you want to watch is if you can hold the $10 level, this would be a good sign. If you cannot hold the 10, many of those stocks that fail at the 10 actually end up pulling back, maybe down to their original breakout levels. In this case, it could be around, about $5, maybe around 4, maybe around 6, but somewhere around there. So that's kind of what you'd want to watch. Is somewhere, hey, where's that support going to be? So be careful if that bearish volume starts to creep in, because that's where you could get into some more trouble with a stock like this. Okay, Netflix, I think it's getting a little bit of a pullback here the last couple days. So you could see we're basically rolling over a little bit, but that's not a big thing when it comes to Netflix, because when you look at the bigger picture here, this stock's been doing exceptionally well. A lot of people getting into the streaming world of, hey, I need to watch some movies, that kind of thing. But no, hey, some people maybe are actually going back to work. So here is our support. Really, we've been in a sideways consolidation pattern here. As you can see, this was our, in the past, resistance, but now, actually, this will be our support. So that's what's happening here. Our breakout level was here. So this stock, if it comes back and bounces at around 400, that'd be great. However, you are still watching for the $400 price level. So that's still about $17 away. Other than that, I'd say, hey, I'm bullish on the stock, but you can have a normal, healthy pullback to the 400 and the stock still nothing be wrong with it. So watch that price level. Okay, the 400 is kind of key. Okay, so there you go. I hope you got some good insight from watching this little video clip of what's inside the member section. It's kind of like a little video preview. And I hope you go ahead and join us and sign up, because that way you'll brush up and learn a little bit more about the technicals, how the market works, and just how stocks move and behave. Now, if you want to go ahead and join us, go ahead and go to the Traders Fly website and go to that members section right here. So it's tradersfly.com, and then you can head on over to the members section. If you just want to go ahead and grab some freebies, feel free, go to the freebies section. There's a ton of freebies over here as well. And you could go ahead and knock your socks off and download all those if you want. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe by clicking the link right here, or join us on the newsletter list so that way you get notified as we release other great things, webinar announcements, that kind of stuff, by clicking the link right here. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.